Magandang umaga mga kababayan. My name is Jermer Cruz from the CFC FFL delegation here in World Youth Day in Rio de Janeiro. We are here in San Francisco Javier Parish in Tijuca, Rio de Janeiro as our catechesis site for the English pilgrims here in Rio de Janeiro. And we're very much blessed today. It's Friday because it's a sunny day because it has been raining for the past days dito sa Rio de Janeiro. And today, our catechesis, the bishop or the cardinal who gave us the catechesis today is Cardinal Pell from Sydney, Australia. They were the host of the 2008 World Youth Day in Australia. And today, he emphasized the gift of family and life to all of us, that even as young people, we should also learn and know how to defend the gift of family and life because that's where Christianity starts. Doon natin mas nakikilala si Lord. Kaya bilang mga kabataan, dapat tayong matuto tungkol sa gift ng Diyos at ng pamilya para sa ating lahat. Ciao from Rio de Janeiro and God bless us all.